Cracking your knuckles doesn't mean you're breaking bones, it's actually the sound of gas bubbles bursting in the fluid of your joints, shattering a common myth. This peculiar biological quirk has intrigued scientists and sparked debates for decades. When you stretch or bend your fingers, the pressure in your joint fluid drops, causing gases like carbon dioxide to form bubbles. These bubbles rapidly collapse or pop, creating that familiar cracking sound. Despite what you might have heard, studies show that this habit won't lead to arthritis or other joint issues. Instead, it remains one of those fascinating bodily functions that leaves us wondering about the intricate mechanics hidden within our own hands. So next time you hear that satisfying pop, you can marvel at the tiny, harmless explosions happening inside your joints, a testament to the marvels of human physiology.